Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're putting the Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus through its paces. This printer boasts a whopping build volume of 320 by 320 by 400 mm, perfect for those larger-than-life projects. But does it deliver? Let's take a closer look. First up, let's talk about features and design. The Kobra 2 Plus comes equipped with automatic leveling, a 4.3-inch touchscreen interface, and a direct drive extruder. Plus, it's got a heated bed with a magnetic, removable textured steel plate, making print removal a breeze. Setting up the Kobra 2 Plus was a breeze, thanks to the clear instructions provided. It took me about 30 minutes to get everything up and running, and soon enough, I was ready to dive into my first print. Now, let's talk performance. With the right combination of filament and settings, this printer can churn out some impressive prints. However, I did encounter some issues with filament quality and print accuracy, especially with tight tolerances. Anycubic promises seamless integration with their app for cloud printing and monitoring. However, I ran into some hiccups along the way. Despite a firmware update, I struggled to get the cloud printing feature to work smoothly. So, should you invest in the Anycubic Kobra 2 Plus? Well, if you're in need of a 3D printer with a large build volume and don't mind a bit of tinkering, this could be a solid option. However, if you're looking for flawless performance out of the box, you may want to explore other alternatives. That's a wrap for today's review, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and insights. Until next time, happy printing!